In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy reserved items on Vinted. If you've spotted a great find or noticed an item marked as reserved, I'll show you how to approach the seller the right way so you can secure it when possible. Start by heading to vinted.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can message sellers and move quickly if they agree to reserve an item for you. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar to look for what you want. Type in the item name or brand and refine your results with filters like size, condition, price, and color. This helps you land on listings that truly match what you're after, and it saves time when you need to act fast. When you find a listing that looks promising, click it to open the full page. Take a moment to review everything carefully: photos, description, condition notes, measurements, and shipping options. Check the seller's ratings and recent activity to get a sense of responsiveness and reliability. This context helps you craft a clear, friendly message and avoid surprises later. Next, click the Ask Seller button to start a chat. This opens a direct conversation with the seller, which is essential when dealing with reserved items. Use this space to be polite and specific. Let them know you're interested and ask if they can reserve the item for you. If the listing already shows as reserved, you can still reach out and ask whether the reservation is temporary, when it might expire, or if they'd consider reserving it for you next. In your message, it helps to include a realistic time frame. For example, you can say you're ready to purchase today or within a certain number of hours. Sellers appreciate clarity because it reduces uncertainty. Remember, reservations are at the seller's discretion, so being respectful and responsive can make a big difference. You can also make an offer if the seller has enabled that option. Propose a fair price based on the item's condition and market value. A reasonable offer, paired with a promise to purchase promptly, often encourages sellers to reserve the item for you. Keep all communication and payment within Vinted for safety and avoid sharing personal contact details. Once a seller reserves the item for you, you'll typically see a reserve label and you'll be the only person able to check out from that listing. Keep an eye on your messages for confirmation and be ready to complete your purchase promptly so the reservation doesn't lapse. With these steps, you'll navigate reserved items on Vinted smoothly and respectfully.